My name is F.B.Erkinov and I'm senior teacher at Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology. It's my honor to have you here. And now I will introduce you Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology, facilities, laboratory and everything relating with Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology. So let's go. So this is main entrance of our institute, and here students and professors can have some rest and reading books, some relaxing place, and after that they can go to the studying place, laboratories and other stuffs. And also we are in second floor now, and this floor is for administration of our institute, and in this floor rector, vice rectors and the other departments, head of departments are sitting in this floor. So from these pictures we can see that our rector, Professor Usmanov, our vice rectors and our administration is introducing in this wall. This room is one of our meeting rooms, and in this room we celebrate some parties, some holidays, and in this room we meet our international cooperation partners from different countries and different universities. So among them so many universities from South Korea, China, Japan, Germany and other countries visited this room, and meetings with our rector, with our teaching staff and researchers are held in this room. Besides of international cooperation meetings, we hold some scientific meetings, scientific council meetings, and we can say that this room is very important to future development of our institute, because international cooperations with foreign countries and scientific council decrees are signed in this room, and the future of institute, development of institute, also many relating things with this room.
My name is Zibo Babakhanova. I'm Vice Rector for International Cooperation of Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technologies. Let me introduce you our institute a little bit. Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology was founded on May 1991 on the basis of former Toshkent Polytechnical Institute, on the basis of chemical and engineering faculties of this institute. But the history of our institute began almost 100 years ago, when Central Asian Industrial Institute opened chemical faculty. It was in 1929. And now for almost 100 years we are preparing specialists and engineers in the field of chemistry, chemical technology, material science, building materials, food science, security and safety, biotechnology, ecology, industrial ecology and mechanical engineering fields. Our institute has a main campus in Toshkent and two branches in Shahrisabz and Yangir regions. In Toshkent we have 5 faculties, 24 departments, 12 educational laboratories at the industries and research laboratories in our institute. We prepare specialists in 16 bachelor degree, 20 master degree programs, 16 PhD programs and Doctor of Science programs. Also we have double degree programs with foreign universities. It's 7 bachelor programs, 7 master degree programs, and we have 1 co-tutel PhD program with Spain University, it's Cantabria University. We have more than 8,000 students, among them 7,800 students, it's bachelor degree students, it's full-time and part-time students, more than 400 master students and around 150 PhD and doctoral students. And our academic staff is more than 400 teachers and around 50% of them have PhD and Doctor of Science degrees. We have teachers from Uzbekistan, professors, and also professors from Korea, Mexico, Iran, Ukraine, India, and other countries. We have invited foreign professors, many teachers from China, England, USA, and other countries, also giving some seminars and trainings to our students. Our institute cooperates with more than 110 universities from foreign countries. It's leading universities in the world, from USA, from European Union, China, Korea, and other countries. And we participated in several international projects. If we tell about international project, one of our recent activities is educational joint course that we are organizing with Milan Polytechnical University. It is course on chemical engineering and mechanical engineering. This course we developed together for around 100 listeners. Our listeners are from foreign countries and from universities of Uzbekistan. It's young teachers, researchers, and PhD students of our republic and foreign countries. Also, we are running Erasmus Plus e-campus project. We are coordinating this project, and this project is dedicated to development of educational camps for students in food science, in technology, and food safety. In 2023, we organized such camp in Toshkent in our institute and Center of Advanced Technologies under the Ministry of Higher Education, Science and Innovation of Uzbekistan. For 2024, we planned organizing such campus in Spain, in University of Extremadura, and we are taking around 25 of students of universities of Uzbekistan to Spain to learn a new course in food safety. They will stay there in camp for 14 days and learn new subjects, new experience.
I'm from South Korea, and I came in the 2021 September. It's already past 2.5 years. So nowadays I'm a professor in the part of the my topics for the lesson is SMAN and experimental planning and innovation technology and something like that. And the reason why to come here, I was retired in Korea because of the normally in Korea it's 65 years old is the retirement age. So after retirement, so I moved here. The reason why I come to here, I want to transfer my knowledge and experience to young guys in Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is, I came to 2008. At the time I had experience the Uzbekistan peoples and some culture. Then at the time I could feel some diligent peoples and polite peoples and very calming culture. At the time I could feel so totally, I could feel that's good country. If I will retire, then I will help or I will transfer my knowledge and experience and something like that. So the reason why to here, to transfer my knowledge and experience. My philosophy is, I think your young people in Uzbekistan are always already ready for the drawing in white paper, but they don't know how to draw or what to color in white paper. So we, old generation, and something like very so much knowledge and experience. People should prepare to draw in white paper. How to draw in white paper and what to color in white paper. That's my philosophy. So I want to transfer my knowledge and experience in young guys in Uzbekistan. So that's the main reason to here.
Now we are in our food technology department, and in this department students are studying at the same time with lecture and laboratory, and mostly in our institute laboratories are divided into two parts. First room is for lecture room and second room is laboratory room. So at the same time students and researchers can conduct lectures and the laboratory works at the same time. So in this laboratory students studying food technology, oil technology, all types of the food and milk technology, and meat technology also, chemical composition of the meat, chemical composition of any types of the food, and the extraction of some elements, extraction of oils, extraction of liquids from the food, and other food technology is conducted in this laboratory. And you can see for the facility we have so many types of the equipments to conduct several laboratories. For example, we can extract oil, we can dry some dry fruit, drying technology for the dry fruits also we can conduct, and here we can measure some properties, chemical and physical properties of the food. And not only for food, we have like these laboratories for other technologies, because in our institute, beside of food technology, we have other three departments. One is the Department of Chemical Materials, Department of Oil and Gas, Department of Management, and Management and Business Administration. So in these four departments, we have same laboratories, we have furniture, we have equipment, we have all needed facilities for the laboratory staff, for research. And because of this high quality equipment, high quality laboratories, nowadays we have so many international and local R&D projects, and we are conducting these R&D projects using these equipments, and most of these equipments are bought for the funding of these projects. In these projects, students, professors and researchers are doing the research, writing the thesis, and defending this thesis according to problems of the factories. Our laboratories are designed not only for studying. These laboratories are designed for working with factories, for food industry, oil and gas industry, ceramic industry, binding materials industry, cement industry, and other type of the chemical industry. So we can deeply working with factories. We are solving their problems. We are doing research according to problems of the factories.
I am Octavio Calvo, a Doctor of Science in Biotechnology from Mexico, and here I'm working as a professor in the Food Technology Department. So what am I doing here? Well, I was in Mexico, and all of a sudden I got a contact. I was through some family of mine, through some friends. So I learned about the possibility of coming into Uzbekistan. My son has been here already, and even though it's a pretty exotic country for us, I mean, few people in my country actually are aware of Uzbekistan, I have heard that it's a lovely country. So I was like, yeah, why not? Let's go and let's see what is it all about. So I came, and I really got a pretty warm reception here. People in Uzbekistan, they have a heart this size. They are really nice people. Hospitable, nice, gentle, So I felt almost immediately at home. Even though I'm sorry, I still don't speak your language, but with English and a little bit of Russian, I have been able to get by. I have students, I have been teaching mostly analytical chemistry. Actually, it is called modern physical and chemical methods of analysis, mainly devoted to food, but not only to food. Because I also have students even from management, from inorganic chemistry, from many different disciplines. So I try my best into explaining how to make projects, how to structure projects, how to write articles in addition to the curriculum that I have, to the subjects that I'm teaching them. And I have had a pretty good response from them. So I'm feeling really, really nice. We are also performing some research. We already have some publication with people both from the department and with collaboration with other institutes here in the country. So yeah, I mean, we have some very good students in here. I mean, some of them are really valuable. They are even, I can consider them almost friends. Because we, at least in Mexico, we just, we like to be close to students. We like to see them just almost as equals. So we want to create a team in order to be able to work and get the best possible results. So yeah, that's pretty much my story here. I like this institute very much. People here are really friendly. The staff, they are trying to help, they are doing their best in order to push forward both the institute and the country by itself. I'm very happy to contribute both to the institute and to the country, and I don't have any plans of going back, at least for a long time. That's sort of my story.
My name is Nigmajan Muhammad. I'm studying at Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology. Focusing on technology of silicate materials. So this includes ceramics, glass, and binding materials. There I will learn about their features and how to use and how to produce it. Currently, I'm diving into piezoelectric ceramics, specifically a type called BNT. These materials can create electricity when squeezed or bent. They are used whereas applications like sensors, actuators, and medical ultrasound machines. So making BNT involves mixing specific ingredients and heating them. Studying it involves using tools like X-rays and microscopes to understand their structure and behavior. Last year, I went to Krakow in Poland for a winter school where I learned about their education, their culture, and we shared our knowledge with other students there. I'm fortunate to have supportive teachers, and under Professor rsatuv and Professor F.B.Erkinov, I've applied to the COICA programs to pursue my master's degree in Korea. So I believe Korea's advanced education system will provide me with valuable knowledge that can bring back to Uzbekistan. My goal is to bring this expertise to Uzbekistan and contribute to our development, especially in the field of silicate materials. Finally, I hope to conduct research in my field and apply this knowledge to industries. And I believe that I can also help my country to make a great discovery in my fields.
Now we are in the faculty Technology of Petroleum and Organic Compounds, and in this faculty students can study oil and gas processing, oil and gas extraction and sub-products of the oil and gas and organic compounds. So different types of the materials, different types of the products you can study in this faculty. And also in this faculty we have good facilities, good laboratory for studying, doing research, and not only bachelor studies, master studies and PhD studies also can be conducted in our faculty. So not only in this faculty but in all of our faculties, invited speakers, invited teachers from foreign universities can teach you for oil and gas, food technology, ceramic materials technology and other types of the chemical industry products. So you are welcome to study in our faculties on petroleum and organic compounds faculty, food technology faculty and inorganic materials faculty.
I am Dr. Samira Mohammadi. I have got my PhD degree from Sharif University at 2013, and I have been teaching in Tehran University for more than 10 years, and I am living in Toshkent from September 23, and I am teaching in this faculty the refinery process, petrochemical process and unit operation. I have more than 15 years experience in oil and gas refineries, and it helped me to developing my skills, especially in refinery process. And it's my honor to be a part of the faculty of TKTI, and I am so glad to be teaching here. The students here are making great strides in knowledge and industry. The university environment offered them the opportunity to learn, to grow and to following their passion. We have a facilitated laboratory here, and our teachers here are very specialists in their field, and I suggest the students who are passionate for working in the industrial oil and gas to come here and visit our laboratory and our environment, because the future and the vital role of the students in the future life is very important, and I suggest them to come here and visit our faculty and campus.
My name is Dr. Anjana Anandanathan. I am from India. Last February, I joined here as a senior lecturer, and I obtained my PhD from India. It's in chemistry, and my topic was in supercapacitor. And soon after finishing the PhD, I joined here as a senior lecturer, and it's been one and a half month now. And here I teach for bachelor's and for sometime master's also. And I am basically from chemistry background, and so I teaching about chemistry. And also I guide the students for their future research, and whoever is love to do research, I just give an idea about research, how to write articles, and how to choose the topic about in future their research. So such kind of ideas I normally give for students, and I help them and what kind of research they can do in future, and what kind of topic they can really choose, and where they can publish their articles, and how to write really an article, and this kind of main idea about research. So I really help them for writing papers and everything. So here it's the food technology department. So the students, they can do research. They have very good facilities, and they have all kind of characterization in different by using different instruments. So I think they can do a very deep research by using those kind of instruments, and they have very good professors also here who guide them very well. So I think if anybody is joining here, and they can really do very well research on that, and they can improve the ranking of this institute also.
My name is Asadbek. Currently, I'm a senior student of Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology. When I was a child, I had really interest for natural subjects like chemistry, math, physics. Therefore, then I decided to apply my documents to Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology to the occupation of chemist engineering. And currently, I'm studying and doing my bachelor's degree, majoring in chemical technology of rare and precious metals. And our university offers lots of privileges and opportunities for outstanding students. Our universities and teachers are always ready to support, to give their help for students who are willing to do the research or to want to continue their career paths, whether in the institute or industry. So far, I have achieved more or less some achievements. In 2020, I was participated in the Uzbekistan GTL scholarship program, and after working hard, and I become winner of the scholarship program. And also during the university, our university offers and gives some privileges scholarships for students who has a good academic performance during their study. And our university has 5 faculties, and there are more than 8,000 students which are studying currently, and more than 500 professors, teachers. And I will safely say that I will strongly recommend for those who are willing or who want to become engineer, chemist or other professions who are going to contribute to the prosperity of our country. Currently, I'm a graduate student, and I see my future, and I want to study my master's degree in abroad, especially in Korea. I have applied my documents to the KOICA scholarship program, which offers lots of privileges for candidates. Currently, I'm also studying English language, because today demand for language learners is very increasing, and there are a lot of opportunities for those who are proficient in language. And after completing my master's degree, I have some plans to come back to Uzbekistan and continue my career path in our university.
My name is Shahnoza. I am a postdoctoral student. At the same time, I am an associate professor of Food and Perfumery Cosmetic Products Technology Department. I am doing my research on the topic of getting new type of margarine products by using feather placers. And I've already obtained my PhD degree, and I have several scholarships which named after Peruni and named after President. So I am very grateful for them. And I have been in several countries and to many top foreign universities for training, and gained lots of experience to emulsion system, and of course using feather placers in food products for reducing and decreasing the fat amount of products, which are very actual topics nowadays. And I have had many achievements, won grand prizes, and I have taken patents for inventions. I am a member of the Youth Academy. As I mentioned before, I am working as a teacher and giving lectures, practical and laboratory lessons to the students on several special subjects connected with food products and, of course, perfumery cosmetic products. And I'm teaching third and first grade of students, and at the same time master students. In my classes, I'm trying to use the last modern methods, as well as using demonstrations in the experiments also. And I wanted to mention one thing also. In our institute, in our department, we have practical and scientist laboratories, and so our students have opportunities to use them, to use the latest devices on their experiments also. And I strongly believe that in our institute there are many opportunities, and the institute has a very bright future because we work with lots of top foreign universities in collaboration, and our workers, I mean the working staff and teachers, scientists, researchers, and of course the students can go to the abroad for doing their researches and have opportunities for training and researching in abroad. So they ask it only to learn foreign languages, at least one language, because for scientists and researchers it's very important to know English or other foreign languages, because if they will go to the foreign countries, they should communicate with foreign teachers, foreign professors or specialists also. So in this case it is very important. And as conclusion, I would love to say that I love teaching, because if you do any kind of research, you will spend for several years, but while you're teaching, you can see your result of your work every day. So I'm happy being a teacher and a researcher at the same time.
My name is Shahzada. I am 18 years old and I study at the University of Toshkent Chemical Technology. In my scientific work, I conducted research on the production of unconventional style yogurts using modern techniques and equipment in a laboratory setting. I prepared several sample recipes and conducted comparable analysis to sweeten and convert the yogurts into a functional product. I utilized stevia extract derived from the stevia plant. The organoleptic properties and chemical composition of the prepared products were examined, and the most optimal variants were selected among the recipes. In my summary, it can be said that all yogurts which is prepared in an unconventional style and includes added stevia extract is in demand and recommended as a dietary product for individuals with diabetes and for patients, elderly and children.
I am Vice Rector for International Cooperation. I began my international experience in 2017, but before this year I was a teacher at the Department of Technology of Silicate Materials, Rare and Noble Metals, where I am teaching still by now. I am professor of this department, and my field of education and my research is technology of ceramics, glasses and binding materials. I have participated in many international programs and projects, and one of them was very useful for me because in 2018 I participated in Women in STEM program that was organized by government of USA, and I visited around 10 universities in USA during 4 weeks and studied the best experience how to organize STEM education, how to involve more women and girls in STEM field. STEM field is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And we know that it is hard research areas, educational areas. That's why many girls are a little bit afraid to go to these areas. But we studied this experience, and now in our institute we are organizing Women in STEM festivals. We organized such festivals twice already. We organized it in February 2023 and in February 2024. And we invited many school children, girls, school children from lyceums and technicums to our institute, and introduced them that chemistry and mathematics may be very interesting and fun.
Dear friends, this was small introduction to Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology. I hope that you were satisfied with my introduction, and you are always welcome in Toshkent Institute of Chemical Technology to study, to research and to do scientific works in our institute. So see you soon. Goodbye.